Hello, beautiful people of the internets and the YouTubes. Oh, it's a long time no chat with you. Oh, it's been a crazy few months. It's been a crazy few months, but I'm hoping to get back on track with these moto vlogs. Oh my god, that's been a couple months. Crazy couple months. Ever since Hunter left, it's been a little slow. I'm sorry. It's so hard. I know Hunter put out one video, but I find it, I don't know, I'm finding it a little hard after moto vlogging with someone else, like my best friend. I am finding it really hard to like come up with ideas and all that. It's just, we bounce everything off of each other. Like, he starts something and then, you know, I'll further it and he'll further it even more. So, I don't know, it's a little weird, like, not having him here. Plus, in the last, a month ago, well, let's just start back here, like 2.5 months ago now, I moved in with my girlfriend. But the whole move situation and getting ready up to the move, so it's been like a 3-month process. The whole leading up to the move, and then the move, and then the packing and all that. It took a toll. I mean, it's where I didn't really want to do much. And I know this is an excuse video, and then last month, it was literally a month ago, I broke my big toe at work. So I literally could not like put any weight on it. I could barely walk. I could definitely not hold up a 400-pound bike, you know, plus my weight. So those would be my excuses. So I'm sorry guys that you haven't seen any content from me. But if today I was going to go out to Saguaro Lake, that was the plan. I don't know what the plan is anymore because I'm low on fuel. I had to actually push start my bike. It started up the first time, but then I had to push start it the second time because I turned it off to fill up the brake fluid and stuff. So I really don't want to stop my bike until I get home. What sucks because I wanted to go to Saguaro Lake, break out the drone for a little bit. I brought it, it's on my back actually. And oh look, my light came on. Great. Okay, so I can try this. You know what? I can go up one more. I hope my battery stays alive enough because I can get fuel. Do I want to test this stuff? Or I could unhook my battery, go charge it properly. Oh my god, I don't know. I want to continue riding. God, I don't know. Oh, do I take the chance of my bike not starting and have to push start it again? Or do I go home and charge it and not be able to ride the rest of the day? Oh, this sucks. I think we're going to try this. Risk reward. Does the risk outweigh the reward in this? Oh, I don't want to push my bike. I really don't want to push my bike. Okay, moment of truth. Was right there. Get that 91 octane. Get some fresh sex juice up in this bitch. I forgot how much I missed filling up my bike. $10 a premium. And she's full. from empty. Oh God, here we go. Moment of truth. If not, I'm gonna have to push my ass all the way up there, get to this little downgrade, and then do what I did earlier. Oh God, please, please, please. Oh, thank the Lord. Oh. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I am so happy. Oh my God. I am so happy right now. It's unbelievable. Oh. Like, there's a breath, a sigh of relief right now. I just let out because I just did not want to get stuck. I didn't want to push start my bike. I really did not want to push start my bike. For anybody that's done it, you know it's not fun. I mean, I could only imagine like push starting a Harley. That would suck. Yeah, it's a little bit windy. It's crazy. I've taken so many pictures over here at Saguaro, but I've never flown a drone here. Like every time I come here, I just don't have it. So today, before I set off on the adventure, I made sure that I was all charged up. It was the one thing I wanted to do, and it's windy out here. Yay! Oh, maybe I'll go home and play some PUBG after this. Okay, so what's your guys' take on PUBG on the Xbox One? I know, like, all my friends have transferred or like play Plus because I don't have a gaming PC, right? I mean, I have my laptop, but it can't run PUBG. So a couple of my friends that do have gaming PCs play with us on Xbox, and at first they absolutely hated it. I mean, I'm sure they still hate it compared to PC, but they tolerate it now. I like it. I think it's okay. I mean, I think they could have done a little bit better, but granted, I mean, it's a port from a PC where you have all the buttons in the world to do stuff, and an Xbox you have very limited buttons. So I get it, and then inventory management's, but it's, I mean, I feel it's good. What do you guys think of it? If you want to play PUBG with me, and I have a couple other friends that play, and we're always looking for squad because our schedules vary so much. Like, it's hard to get us all on at the same time, except for on weekends. So if any of you guys want to play during the weekends, during the week, I don't care, I'm usually on every day. If you guys want to play, I'll put my gamer tag right here, right there. So you guys can hit me up on Xbox One. Okay, here will be a bitch to push start. Just saying. Oh, and all those view ropes. Ooh, it's beautiful. like just chill out for a minute. Okay guys, I'm the 10 Fate here. I'm gonna pull the drone, get some shots, then get back on the road. I'll be with you guys here in a little bit. Laters. Bring you back to the tension right here. Just got done. Did a little bit of camera, or pulled out my phone, got some cool shots. Pulled out the drone for a little bit, flew it. The wind was a little bit of an issue, but not too bad. And now, oh, the moment of truth. Will she start, or am I push starting? I swear, if I'm push starting this thing, I'm gonna just chill out here, wait till people leave, and then I'll push start it. Oh, okay. Oh, thank the bike gods. Okay, well, let's get on the road here. So yeah, guys, I think this is where I'm gonna end it. I'm just about to get back on the freeway, go back home. It was fun riding with you guys again. If you have any places that you wanna kind of see in Arizona, let me know. I'll try to get there. But anyways, guys, hit that like and subscribe button if you would. It always helps. Hit that little bell icon right up there too if you want to get the notifications that a new video has gone up from us. And always, guys, have a good day, ride safe, and see you later.